Today's video is about beauty therapy and how we use makeup to make ourselves feel better when we're in a situation where we don't feel the greatest. So you're gonna watch me as I do my makeup. This is CoverGirl's Ultra Fine Brow Pencil. So that's what I'm starting with, my brows. I don't know how people do their makeup so far away. I need to be up on the mirror. When I see people using vanities, I could not sit down and just look at the mirror. I'd have to be on top of the desk, sitting on it, or I'd have to be standing up in front of a mirror in order to feel like I have control over what I'm doing. So when I get to the front, I do upward strokes and continue until that's the look I want. So that's one brow done. Cool. I'll do this next one. You know, which brow is typically my better brow? I don't really know right now. Summer time and the living is easy. Just let it be. I'ma just let it be. Okay, brows are done. Next, I'm going to conceal with my, oh, this is Black Radiance. I thought this was NYX. I use this one down here. It's very light. Yeah, if this was an everyday look, I would not conceal on the eyebrows. Next, I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. I'm going to use my Black Radiance contour palette in the light to medium. So I use the Sculpt for my, doesn't it look like my Sculpt color is darker than my contour color? Doesn't it? But whatever. I'm going to go in now and use the contour shade to my crease. My crease. I'm gonna do the crease and outer V using this color. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Do you see the difference? I don't, but I do it anyway. Bringing dimension to my eye. I see it on this one. Again, it's the lighting. I can't tell on this one. I think I'm going to leave it. And when I look in another mirror, I'll decide what to do. Okay. It's not right, but it's okay. I'm gonna make it anyway. Pack your bags up and leave. I'd rather be alone now. Extensions done. Cool. Now I have liner on. I need to wash my hands. Because next I'm doing foundation. And this foundation is it's the collaboration Jackie Aina did with, was it Too Faced? All right. Start applying. I think it looks so pretty already. I used to have a Fenty sample that I really enjoyed also, and it was more my complexion. Pero no está aquí. This is I think this is a Real Techniques. Look how it just all goes in that one area. This is a Real Technique sponge. Someone gave it to me. Thank you. I needed it. We were at a show and I didn't have a sponge. Like, who does that? Why didn't I have a sponge? Where? But either way, when I tried this Jackie color, because this is also a neutral color. That's how I was able to choose my shade. There were 2 new colors, which means shades that she created that were described as neutral, and like in my shade range. But one I thought was too light, and this is the one I thought fit. I thought it was an exact match, honestly, when I was in store. Let's highlight. So to highlight, I am going to use this L'Oreal True Match crayon corrector. And so this is a N45, neutral 4-5. And I think it's really light actually, but I like it. See? I think I'm putting on more than I typically do, which I don't really want to do because I don't think I have the greatest setting powder, or that this is the greatest concealer. So I try not to get it all up under my eye because I don't know, I think it looks kind of weird sometimes. I think a little under eye darkness looks more natural. So then I set that with this L'Oreal, this white powder. Whatever's in the cap, I'm just moving it more towards the center. Oh, that's a cute shot. And I just come on, get on under, get up off of that thing. I hope it doesn't apply on my face like this, but I think it mattified it some better. My chinny chin a little higher. It's a little higher. Is that centered? Whatever. You can do my nosy. Bring out the center of that nose. My forehead a little. I don't need a lot. I already have a nice, sizable, very visible forehead. So we only just need a little, only un little. Then I'll go with this clean side and I'll blend it in and it'll disappear and it'll look like I didn't put anything there, which is okay. It's okay if you don't see it. Center of the nose, check. And then I'll do my forehead. Same thing here. Like, can you see it? But I did it. Can you see anything? Can you see it? And I'm gonna use this beautiful brush. I love this brush. It's from Real Techniques. I just love it so much. Such a great brush. And I'm gonna use this for all over my face. Ooh, you can see how highlighted my under eye is now. Woo. And that's why like blush would come in handy. All up in there. I'm just going to dust it all over my face. Yep. Yep. So next, I'm going to contour, and I'm going to use this e.l.f. angled blush brush, and I'm going to go into my contour, and I'm gonna do it. That's off the excess, and I'm gonna put this from here to here, starting a little above my where the end of my cheekbone is. Because I'd rather my contour be a little too high than a little too low. Yeah, that's good, that's good. So I don't do it under here, I do it right above. Which is probably what everyone does. But just saying. I'm gonna curve it a little. That's what I see people do. Bring it up on my forehead. She might help bring out that other stuff. And yeah. Oh, mascara. I always forget my mascara. So this is the Maybelline the Colossal Big Shot Mascara in blue. It's the collaboration with Makeup by Shayla. Blue. So we just, brains. Just move it through the lash. And I read somewhere once that blue eyeshadow and blue liner, I think, brings out brown eyes. So similarly, blue mascara would bring out blue eyes. So it's also really cool. I think I'll feel even better if I go out. I haven't been out the house today. I think that's part of why. Well, also, I am not feeling the best, and so I don't want to go out into the cold. I think this is the longest it's ever taken me to put on mascara. I think I'm thinking a lot is going through my brain. And so, you know, when you think deeply, you think a lot, you just entertain your thoughts so much. Okay. I think that looks nice. That blue mascara really makes it pop, 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 pop. Are you gonna line your lips? I will line my lips with the Revlon Color Stay Lip Liner in Mauve. Mauve. Okay, so I'm filling in my whole lip. A whole lip and nothing but the lip. I just realized. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Okay, so this is the brown blush. This is the Lust for blush. See the difference? Let's try to smoke purple. Ay, ay, ay. I wanted to say more of a gray look and less of a pinky look. Yeah. So this is the finished look. Is that better? I can see better for sure. Can't really see. You know what I don't like when I see other people have the shininess right here and a nostril? I don't think mine is too bad. This is the finished look. Should I put on earrings? So, you know. Okay, it's my finished look. Let's see, beauty therapy. How do I feel now? Do I feel better? I don't know. Not really, but it was fun. And I feel good that I uploaded a video. So I guess I could say it was a slight distraction. All right, see you later. Peace.